Attention! The Federal Communications Commission has issued an emergency alert system destruction threat for the entire Earth. Russia terrorists are threatening to dump a bucket of poisonous acid on the computers in the EAS headquarters. If poisonous acid is dumped, this channel will go completely crazy. Oh no! They're here, and they have the bucket of poisonous acid. No! Don't you dare! TYWRETE 4320 BGFCXCFREKONAOJAGBFRGHKLTRSEVCUNMBWERGWOPJG24567 933 99 88 55 11 21 45 98 19 12 23 33 NMMBFGHHJKLUI 209 J9 IKLONPMHAG GKNOMJHTIOER 393 11:59 p.m. J0 K0 ERNFDEFTJSH 4597 NHGFDEYJGD freak idiot shiz come